Oh, we have a delivery from Emart. What are you doing in there? What are you doing? Ta-da! Hello. Can you get out? Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, so for today's video, we're going to do a baby toddler mukbang. So our son Yul, you may be able to see him in the background there. He's going to do a mukbang for lunch. Yeah? Are you hungry? I'm going to be preparing the Korean food, and Hugh behind the camera here is going to be preparing the Western food. So we went online on the Emart app and we ordered a bunch of things that we thought Yul might like to eat. So I will show you the Korean ones I picked out. Hi. Hello. Bagel pie? Are you hungry, bagel pie? Yeah, so I have some pork bulgogi. Gogi, you want to hold that one? Okay. I got some boiled dumplings like this. You really like dumplings. And I got some soup for him as well, some solongtang like this. So, and I have some rice on. So that is the Korean meal I'm going to be preparing for him. And so when he eats it, we're going to put both the Western style and the Korean style, and we're going to see what he wants to eat for his mukbang. What Western food did you pick out?
So I actually picked the typical Western food.
Or stereotypical?
Stereotypical. Pasta.
Meat sauce pasta.
I think you really like some meatballs and noodles, so I think he will love it.
I don't know if he's gonna like the color of it though, because he likes it to just be like plain pasta.
It's okay, I can eat it.
You'll eat it later.
And then this.
Wow, lasagna!
Mozzarella beef lasagna.
Wow. He's so hungry, he wants to get into the bulgogi.
No, he wants to eat this one.
Okay, that one. And what else did you get?
And also really typical one.
Pizza.
Mushrooms pizza.
Oh, I bet he spits out the mushrooms. Hello. Yeah, Mummy's gonna cook this in a minute, okay?
This is melting cheese sandwich.
This is really interesting. Because like in Western countries we make it ourselves, but this one you can buy a frozen one.
How nice. We'll see.
We'll see what it's like. So we're going to put it all out in front of him. Look, he's so hungry. He's like, feed me now. We're going to make these. We're going to make these and then you're going to do your mukbang, okay?
Yeah, I'm going to cook right now and then we'll eat.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we have finished preparing the food. Yul is very hungry, though he's currently playing with the underfloor heating right now. So we're gonna plate it up for him. We've had to let some things cool down, of course, because he's just a little guy. And then time to mukbang.
Yay!
Woo, let's go, hey? Yeah, so many things to choose from.
Pizza in the solongtang. Wow.
Yeah. He's mixing his cultures. Oh. Let Mummy have a bite? You want Mummy to have a bite? 맛있어. Mummy have that one? 아빠? You want more bulgogi? Okay, since you don't want the... Let's try this one. How's this one? Oh, yummy.
Happy dance. Oh, lasagna with a 설렁탕.
Oh, really?
That's your fusion.
Fusion. Here, why don't you try a bit of this? 맛있어. 맛있어? Okay. Yule is still eating, but you were like, no, you can't wait, you're gonna eat some stuff.
I'm hungry too.
Okay.
So I'm going to try some.
Try the bulgogi.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Try lasagna. And 설렁탕. Nice. Salted near salt.
That's good. So it's already salted. Right, toasted cheese sandwich.
Looks good.
Grilled cheese.
With
Except for
bacon.
you burnt that bit there. Good. Okay, lasagna. Really just tastes like proper lasagna. That's really good. Try some bulgogi.
Bulgogi is really good.
That's really good. So good. So I think his favorites was the solongtang, so the soup with the rice, and the toasted cheese sandwich, grilled cheese sandwich were the ones that he liked. And you mixed them together, didn't you?
Because he's
Didn't you?
Korean and Australian.
He's Korean and Australian, so he mixed them together. Yeah.
So.
Did you have a good lunch? Did you have a good lunch? Yeah?
Lunch?
Yeah, that's the camera. Yeah. Jagia, what was your favorite?
I actually like the solongtang as well,
Yeah.
and also the bulgogi.
Oh yeah, bulgogi was really good. I think I actually really liked the lasagna, and I didn't know they had lasagna like that at Emart, and I think that might be something we might order and just keep in the freezer. It's such a like a Western thing, right? You have like frozen lasagna to get out, but that's actually really convenient to have that in Korea as well.
But funny thing is, I choose Western food, but I like Korean one.
Yeah, and I like the Western food. We're stereotypes. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, a hug for mommy. Thank you. Thank you. What about hug for daddy? Hug for daddy?
Appa.
Oh, Jazza. So this was our last Emart video. So we did 6 months of videos with them, and they were a really, really great sponsor. So we had a lot of fun doing them. I hope you guys enjoyed them as well. So big thank you to Emart for sponsoring us for 6 months.
Thank you.
So subscribe if you haven't already, and check out the social media, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. There we go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Emart.
Bye-bye.
I'm not plastic bag, okay?
Okay.